In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change RSI Tradingview. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is one of the most popular tools for traders looking to identify potential market reversals. By customizing the RSI settings on TradingView, you can tailor this indicator to better fit your trading strategy, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or just exploring chart analysis. TradingView is a powerful platform that allows you to adjust and save these settings quickly and easily. If you're new to TradingView, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the TradingView website. You can do this by typing in www.tradingview.com or by clicking on a bookmark if you've saved it for quick access. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Logging in is essential because it allows you to access all the platform's features and save your customized indicator settings for future use. Next, locate the Products option in the menu at the top of the screen. Click on it to open a list of tools and features available on TradingView. This menu is where you'll find everything organized, making it easier to navigate the platform. From here, search for the RSI indicator. You can either type RSI into the search bar or scroll through the list of available indicators until you find the Relative Strength Index. The RSI is a versatile tool that helps traders spot potential reversals by identifying overbought or oversold market conditions. Once you've located it, click on the RSI indicator to add it to your chart. Now that the RSI is visible on your chart, you'll notice its name displayed in the indicator panel. Look for the small gear icon next to the RSI label and click on it. This will open the customization panel where you can fine-tune the indicator to match your preferences. In the customization panel, you'll see several options you can adjust. Let's start with the RSI length. This setting determines the number of periods used in the calculation. If you're a swing trader who focuses on longer-term trends, you might want to increase the length for smoother signals. On the other hand, if you're a day trader looking for quick, responsive signals, you might choose a shorter length. Adjust this value based on your trading style. Next, you can modify the source data. This allows you to choose what price data the RSI calculates from. For example, you can set it to use closing prices, opening prices, or other data points depending on your analysis needs. After that, you can customize the appearance of the RSI. Adjust the colors of the indicator lines to make them stand out against your chart's background. You can even change the line thickness for better readability. These visual tweaks are helpful for ensuring your RSI is easy to interpret during fast-paced trading sessions. Take your time experimenting with these settings to see what works best for you. And don't worry, if you're not happy with the changes, there's always the option to reset the settings back to their default values. Once you've finished making your adjustments, click the OK button at the bottom of the customization panel. Keep in mind that it may take a moment for TradingView to refresh and apply your changes to the chart. Finally, verify that your updated RSI settings are now visible on your chart. Check that the changes you made, such as the length, source data, and visual appearance, are all reflected correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's it. You've now successfully customized the RSI indicator on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.